Hi, I'm Stan Schneider. I'm CEO of a company called Real-Time Innovations, RTI, and we are a leader in the industrial Internet of Things connectivity space. I'm also on the steering committee of the Industrial Internet Consortium, IIC, and on the advisory board for the IoT Solutions World Congress. So welcome to the Congress. It's very exciting to have you here. I think it's an opportunity to really see it's the largest show in the industry, and it's the most exciting and focused on really the future of industrial systems. So RTI makes a middleware, or we call it a data bus. It's a way of connecting together large systems that have to be super reliable. We find reliable as can't fail even for a few seconds typically. A lot of our systems have timing constraints in the milliseconds or even microseconds, and large numbers of programmers trying to work together on a coordinated solution. And also, we aren't really just collecting data and send it to the cloud. A lot of the industrial internet seems to think the only real benefit is analytics on existing systems. We're really creating new systems. The most exciting things we're doing are transportation systems like autonomous cars, flying drone vehicles, air traffic control. We're doing air traffic control in China. I actually just found out we're also controlling all the air traffic in Canada now. We also do Hyperloop and even flying cars. It's a really exciting new world of autonomous and flying things. We're also very active in the power industry. We run large power systems like the Grand Coulee Dam and Siemens Wind Power, and as well as smaller things, literally smaller things called microgrids that allow you to have a intelligent, connected network that can integrate solar and wind and other sort of less dependable renewables into the grid. There's actually a microgrid test bed that has a show on the floor here if you want to go see that. It's a great thing. The last big area we're really in is in medical systems. GE Healthcare is a huge customer. We're putting together intelligent systems with all the things you see in a hospital, ventilators and respirators and oximeters and incubators and on, which today are independent devices. They're smart devices, but they don't talk to each other, and they don't even know they're connected to the same patient. We're allowing people like GE to find patients in the huge information flow in a hospital and make sure these devices are doing a great job taking care of patients, and even having some smart doctor-in-the-box technology on top of it so it can be more intelligent part of the care team. We also work with imaging systems and cancer treatment systems, and mobile. Physio Control is a customer that builds ambulance and life flight and other sort of mobile medical systems. We're very excited about the future of the industrial Internet of Things and its ability to transform almost all the industries. The first internet, the boring old internet you may have heard of and use on a daily basis, definitely transformed retail and banking and travel agencies and created some new interesting things like social media and search. But it really didn't affect the power grid or hospitals or transportation much at all. And we're very excited about the impact that this integration of intelligence with distributed control, distributed networking is really bringing to the world. Some people call it IT-OT integration. I'm actually not a fan of that term. IT is really a historical term for what's running in the cloud, which is really high performance compute, and OT is a historical term for the networking world for what's running in the field, which are things like field buses and increasingly Ethernet. And the real story isn't those two people, IT people and OT people combining, or even the technologies that grew up there. The real story is the high performance computing and functional artificial intelligence combining with the easy availability of pervasive networking to really change what we can do as a society and as a business tool to build the future of the computing world. It's a very exciting time to be at IoT Solutions World Congress, and it's an exciting time to be RTI.